welcome to my kitchen. My name's Glenda Britton. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and I specialize in mental health. What I have for you today is a brain boosting kind of, well, it's a tea. It's a turmeric tea. So make sure that you watch the end because I have a special offer for you at the end of this video. Now remember, I'm part of the Glenda and Michelle team. Michelle is a certified meditation teacher, and so that also helps with mental health, of course. So make sure if you like this kind of content to subscribe below and give us a thumbs up.
Here we go. And please listen carefully because there may be something in this recipe that you really need. I'm going to add a lemon because lemons are alkalizing, liver supportive, and a great source of vitamin C for your immune system. Plus, I happen to have a lemon. Now, whenever possible, try to use up some of the rind of a lemon or lime or even an orange. They contain something called bioflavonoids, which is a phytonutrient. They contain potent antioxidants that help combat free radicals and work synergistically with the vitamin C. Black peppercorns help with the absorption of the curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant in the turmeric. Cloves are amazing. They can help regulate hunger levels, balance blood sugar. They have antibacterial properties and help to increase the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which has the potential to improve depression because of their anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon also has many healing abilities, from blood sugar balancing, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, as well as being an antioxidant. So here we go. Here's the turmeric. You can see it looks like a root similar to ginger, and I am peeling it very carefully because I'm trying not to touch the orange part because it stains so badly. Turmeric, and especially its most active compound, curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits, such as the potential to prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and studies also indicate that it may help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. Well, there you go. No matter how I try, I always get stained fingers. Now here we go with the ginger. It's similar to the turmeric in that it's a root. I'm just going to break it into pieces and try to peel it best I can. Ginger's been used for thousands of years for the treatment of ailments from colds, nausea, headaches, digestive upset, and that kind of thing. But now, for the first time ever, brain scientists, neuroscientists are suggesting that ginger may be an important player in nutritional psychiatry. You see, the antioxidant effects of ginger root are thought to safeguard the neurons, nerve cells, like these are cells in your brain, and it protects them against the oxidative stress that is common in many neurodegenerative diseases, including Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease.
So that's all there is to it. Bring it to a boil, let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and voila, we have this healing elixir or healing tea. So I like to store it in a nice glass bottle like this. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into a measuring cup to make pouring it into the glass bottle a little easier. There we go. Now I wouldn't put the lid on tight until it cools off, and you can also add some honey now, or you can add honey as you use it. I always reheat it on the stove, not in the microwave. You could even have it chilled over ice, but since fall's coming, it's really nice to have something like this to sip on. It has so many healing properties. So if you like this kind of content, as I mentioned before, I have a little special offer for you. This is one of the recipes featured in my 10 favorite brain boosting recipes ebook, and you can link to that below. It's free, so take advantage of that. Make sure, if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, as I said before, and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time, in good health.